Garlic. All right. Did you know garlic can help you lose weight? Actually, garlic can help you lose belly fat. Who doesn't want to lose belly fat, right? So, giving yourself a garlic, but also the whole family of what we call allicin family. So, there's something in garlic called allicin. And if you chop it up and let it sit out for about 5 minutes, that allicin is much more active. And you can probably smell it, right? Well, there's allicin in shallots, there's allicin in onions. There's allicin in chives and green onions and things like that. So get these onions and garlic in the diet, and it will help enhance metabolism and help your belly fat. But not only that, garlic and onions are incredible for your liver. And this is probably part of the reason why it helps you burn fat, because it supports liver detoxification pathways. It has something in it called sulfur compounds, and it really helps in the second phase of liver detoxification. So remember, when you're losing weight, it is fat, it is dense fat, and your liver has to take it from from fat to water and get it out through the bowel and the kidneys. So give your body some support with some garlic and onions and shallots and things like that. And then it'll help your body burn fat too. What a great win-win, right? All right, let's go eat some garlic. Make sure your friend or your partner eats it too, because you're going to smell. Bye for now.